Hello, good morning all. My name is Guruprasad. I'm heading the automation solutions for one of the division in ABB, that is our motion and drives products. So this is the second time we are participating for this Automation Expo after having the successful, overwhelming response from the various customers. So here we are showcasing the various automation PLC solutions, not like a products, it is like a solution-based display we are giving, where the motion controls, PLC automations like PLC redundancy, standalone products, and also for the renewable solutions are displayed here. So basically the energy efficient drives are displayed here, HVAC drives are displayed here, so low harmonic drives are displayed here. So the various products which is relevant to the current market to reach the green and clean fuels. So with the slogan that leaner and cleaner automation to a new world. Thank you.